Struggling to find where to add your logo in Salesforce? Learn the exact two-click path to upload it in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the quickest route through setup, then how to create and save your branded theme. Start by clicking on the Quick Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup to access the Setup menu. Now, in the Quick Find box, type in Theme to filter the setup options. Then click on Themes and Branding from the results to open the theme settings. Go ahead and click the New Theme button to start creating a custom theme. In the Theme Name field, type a name for your new theme. Click on the API name box, and it will automatically fill in based on the theme name. Next, click on the Brand Name box to choose an image for your logo. Once the image is selected, you can reposition your logo as needed. Click Save to apply the changes to your theme. Then click Save again to finalize and save your theme. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.